If you have dry skin or you're looking for a strong moisturizer that's both affordable and homemade, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you 2 magical combinations using Nivea cream that will seriously boost its moisturizing power. So don't even doubt the power of these creams for hydration, clearing up acne, and smoothing out fine lines. Let's get started with making our hydrating creams. First mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of Nivea cream into a bowl and mix it well until the texture softens and it's ready to blend with other ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. Vaseline helps lock in moisture, and when combined with Nivea, it creates an even stronger moisturizer. Next comes lemon. Squeeze half of a small lemon and add just enough juice to soften the texture. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, it really supports my channel. 1 like equals 1 big smile from me. Not too much to make it watery. Lemon helps brighten and refresh the skin. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of milk powder. It's rich in vitamins and proteins, and gives your skin an amazing softness and smoothness. Mix everything thoroughly until the texture becomes smooth and uniform. Now apply this homemade cream to your face, neck, or body. If you apply a thick layer, remove it with a towel or cotton pad after 30 minutes. But if you apply a thin layer, there's no need to wipe it off, just leave it on and let your skin absorb the goodness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a beauty secret again. Amazing things are coming, stay tuned. Store the extra cream in a container and keep it in the fridge. Don't worry, it stays fresh and won't spoil. Now let's make the second mixture. A lightweight and refreshing moisturizer, perfect for summer. Put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into a bowl. I made this gel myself at home. I recommend you make it naturally too. I'll link the tutorial at the end of this video. Mix the aloe vera well until it becomes smooth and ready to combine. Then add 1 tablespoon of Nivea cream. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. It softens the skin and helps reduce inflammation. And finally, 3 drops of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps rejuvenate the skin. Mix everything well. Use this cream just like the first one. For thick layers, wipe it off after 30 minutes. For thin layers, leave it on the skin. Be honest, what's your biggest skincare struggle right now? Dry skin, acne, wrinkles, or something else? Tell me in the comments. I might make a DIY just for it. Store the rest in a sealed container and keep it in the fridge. It lasts really well. Important tip. Use these homemade creams at least twice a week to see the magical effects on your skin's hydration and softness. It's affordable, natural, and free from harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video with smooth and glowing skin. Goodbye.